It's the most wonderful time of the year.
It's that time of year again. They're going back! It's back to school time at Staples. With over 7,000 supplies for school, home and office, all under one roof.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Staples, the office superstore, for low, low prices.
What a difference a day makes. 24 little hours. What a difference a day makes. And the difference is you.
How well do these new personal tablets clean then?
They get the boy sports things lovely and clean.
All washing powders do that, don't they?
Oh yeah, and how many dirty sports kits have you washed recently?
Persil's new tablets. A great wash, a great deal easier.
Yes, it's a good day.
Fresh complexion, revitalized skin. It's got to be Synergy C. New Synergy C Daily Moisturizing Cream with Vitamin C from Laboratoire Garnier. Synergy C has a light, non-greasy texture. Your skin is moisturized, feels fresh, and full of vitality. New Synergy C with Vitamin C, formulated and controlled by Laboratoire Garnier. Synergy, for healthy-looking skin.
There's a side to you that craves nature and purity. A side that's sheer Muller fruit corner. But then, your sentimental side says Muller Crumble is the corner to cozy in with.
There's your frivolous side, too. It yells that Muller Crunch Corner is the chocolate taste to die for. Die to die for.
And what about your ritzy, glitzy, extravagant side? When all else fails, indulge yourself with Muller Candy Corner. For every side of you, there's a corner